Over 500 million people enjoy our public lands each year. We enjoy such luxuries, in large part, due to the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Unfortunately, many of our vets struggle upon their return with something as simple as basic lack of housing. But you can help. Just visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping BADGE help our vets.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Well, that premiere is going to be put on hold because we had a huge storm yesterday of 112 mile per hour winds. We were in a lock, thank God, because that's the safest place to be. But that means we are stuck in this area because they lost power. And I will show a video of what's in front of us of the railroad bridge. They can't turn the railroad bridge without power. And we were advised this morning that unfortunately that it may still be a while. But we're going to be stuck up in this area for quite a while because of this holdup from yesterday. That means we got major delays everywhere. So it might be another week and a half before we even get down to St. Louis. So with that said, I will let you know when the premiere is going to be, but it's not going to be this week. Unless by some miracle we get a straight through shot all the way down. But there is delays because there's a lot of boats backed up through all these locks now because of this. They can only have so many people, so many boats go through coming north and south. And behind us, there's already a boat waiting to, towboat waiting to get through this lock that we're in. Here, let me turn this around real quick. Hold on. As you can see in front of us, that's the railroad bridge that's over this lock that we're in. And that's got to turn. I'm going to try and get a video capture of that from the wheelhouse. The captain's going to let me know when that happens. But in the meantime, we're stuck inside this lock. Let me see if I can get a video from the back. But I can't walk back there or you won't hear me. That was me. We're stuck inside the lock. So, but at least we were safe. No damages. But there was, I guess, this all happened while I was taking my nap yesterday. I didn't realize, hold on, let me turn this back around. I didn't realize that, how bad that storm was. I knew it was bad, but I didn't know how bad it was until I posted that video yesterday in the evening. Because, like I said, it all happened while I was taking my afternoon nap. And then I went, of course, started cooking. I knew that we had a lot of rain, but the guys finally came in and told me what happened. And I already had the video edited for yesterday, but they didn't say anything about power outage till after I posted it. So with that said, we're putting a hold on the premiere. I will let you all know as soon as I get some information what's going to happen from there. Well, it's part of Towboat life. Things like this happens on the river. All right, people. So be back in a few. Hopefully I'll have that video of that railroad bridge turning and show you how that works. All right. Maybe sometime today. It might be tomorrow. I'll let you know. day we're going through right where that railroad bridge was. It moved to the side. Unfortunately, somebody didn't tell me about it. So, I'll see if I can catch it closing. Check this out. We've finally gone through after being stuck here for 2 days because of that storm. Now I may have to do a voiceover to go show you how this closes. Yeah, the railroad goes to the top and the bottom is the traffic. Look how big this thing is. It's huge, but it turns from the top up there and it goes over to that side over there. But check this out. So I'll be right back. I'll show you how it closes. Over there is the other side, right there. I'll show you from this basket. This is at lock 12. If I can see it. We got cars already backed up waiting. Okay, the gates are starting to close. You can see that towboat way back there that's been waiting there all day too. I feel sorry for everybody. Anything you got planned? I had planned on getting groceries down in St. Louis. Figured we were going to be there 3 or 4 days. Now I have to get it somewhere else on the way down, and it'll be done at B&M Boat Store. There at Lock 18. We didn't think we would have time, but we got to make time now, or we're not going to have enough food to make it to St. Louis in a week and a half. But as soon as this closes, then I guess we get a little bit of ways, but I'll be showing you some other things in the meantime. But I mean, this thing is huge. Over there to the right is Rock Island. It's a military base that I cannot film over that way. Sorry, folks. That's a high security area. But check this out. Look at all the cars backed up. So they'll be definitely closing before the next boat's ready to come through. Sorry about my thumb there, but it's a little windy in the back there. My phone I didn't have it in my stand, in my holder, so I had to hold the phone because the wind's a little strong back there. This is the back of the boat. Yeah, down there in the left-hand corner, that's where we throw all our trash till we get someplace to put our trash off. But yeah, it's neat how they do this, though. The engineering on this to figure out how to do this over the river and design it. But you can tell this is an old we call it the railroad bridge because it does have a railroad on top, but it's also a way for them to cross over into Rock Island through their vehicles. A lot of people live over that way too. Military, of course. But here it goes, starting to turn. Check it out. Wow. I'm going to try. I'm going to try and show you how it and make sure I keep it zoomed in, because the further we get, the smaller it gets. But this is a pretty neat process. That tower above it, that's what turns it. There's a guy that sits right up in that little office, I don't know what you call it, right there in the middle, and he controls everything. And he's got the radio for everybody, even the people at the lock and on each side. And it takes probably a good few moments here to, once they stop, I guess, to make sure everything's locked in place before they allow the traffic through. But I'll keep showing you some things here. It's windy as heck back there, and plus the engine noise is so loud because I got the two big stacks behind me. I should have swung the video around, but I didn't want to miss anything here, because it's the first time I've literally seen this. Or put it this way, through a video, to do a video of it. And I'm still amazed. I've been out here, 5 years or something like that, and I'm still amazed on how they do things out here. But it's a nice piece of video to share with y'all. Got a lot of birds. Oh, which I'll post here at the end, a picture of a bird that a baby, it was looked like he was about ready to learn how to fly. Pigeon, because of the storm, ended up on one of the barges. And I'll show you a picture that the mate sent me. This happened during the night. He found the bird, and he just reached his hand over, and it crawled up on his shoulder. And this morning, when I got up at 1:30 in the morning, this bird was just lay there in the ropes, and he was trying to feed it and all this. It seemed to be really dazed. And what they did, I'll tell you in a minute. But check this out. This is that whole lock and dam. It's huge. In the city name, I will post here in a moment, that tell you what city it is. I believe it's Davenport. But this is the city of Davenport, Iowa. Now if you look right in the center over there, you'll see part of the bridge. But I mean, that thing is huge. Look at all the traffic. I'm zoomed in as far as I can. Alright, soon the traffic's going to be let off and let it cross here. But, and here it comes. And I'll show you the picture of that bird that the mate saved.